Marriage is a covenant. You are entering into a lifetime covenant. It does not expire. It cannot be revoked. It cannot also be revised unless one of you dies. And this covenant is both legally and spiritually binding before God and His people. Covenant, not a contract.
Ano yan? Ano ba yan?
Hindi ko nga alam eh. Ayaw mabuksan eh. Pero parang walang laman eh. Sabi ko sa'yo, walang laman eh.
Walang laman.
Walang laman. Ito, suot ko na. Ito yun.
Kaya pala.
Thank you, Mami. Love you.
Hiyawani. Thank you. Thank you, Daddy.
Ano yan? Kasya sapatos.
Positive. Tingnan natin. Hindi, buhaya daw.
Tayo dyan.
Sabi mo, hawak ko, ikaw maghawak.
Hindi, ano yan?
Si Maggie.
Pwede ba sabihin sa camera kung ano yan?
Yeah.
Wow! Amin na lang.
Thank you, Daddy. Good luck sa kasal natin. Sana'y maging lalong successful ang ating pagsasama, ang pagmamahalan. Patuloy ang ating respetuhan at huwag mawawala syempre ang Diyos sa sentro ng ating buhay. Love you, Daddy!
One of our biggest dreams was finally came. And now a new chapter of our book is the beginning of a new story and a new page. I'm excited to write a new story of you and me.
Daddy, una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako kay Lord God dahil dumating yung araw na ito. Daddy, sa wakas, ikinasal na tayo. We're officially married sa simbahan. At year 2004, nung kinasal tayo sa Saudi, pinangako natin sa isa't isa na magpapakasal tayo sa simbahan. At eto na yun, Daddy.
Today, we officially sealed our love together. We've weathered life's storms, and I'm grateful for your unwavering support. I cherish our shared moment, living together, sharing meals, laughter, and travel, Over the years, I've realized that you, Jermaine, are my best friend. I want to continue loving you deeply and unconditionally. Our love story is like a beautiful poem, one that I'm honored to write with you.
Just for a while and die with a smile.
Salamat dahil ikaw na rin naglalaban ng mga damit namin. Pero Daddy, mahal na mahal kita. Kayo ng anak ko. Patuloy natin maging sentro ng Panginoon ng ating pagsasama at gabayan tayo ni Lord sa lahat ng pangarap natin sa buhay. Salamat Daddy, I love you.